Now, when we've heard the 911 call where you actually shoot Ricky, is that inaccurate from what you remember of when you shot Ricky? Does that recording sound like what happened?
No, it was way more than that had happened before Ricky got shot.
Okay. Why did you accuse him 3 times of having a gun when he didn't have one?
I was so scared. Like, when he was coming at me, I was scared. I said, put the guns down instead of put the knives down. I said, put the guns down. I don't know why I said it. Just came out like that.
But you didn't do it just once. You did it 3 times. And each time, Ricky says, I don't have a gun. You keep pulling a gun on me. Right?
Yes.
Now, if you pulled a gun on Ricky, let me say this. One part of your argument is that you were scared, so therefore you had a right to pull the gun, correct?
Yes.
If you pulled a gun on Ricky, who was unarmed, does he have a right to arm himself?
Yes.
And based upon your statement, say, you got the gun first, didn't you?
Yes.
Now, when he is propelling himself forward to you, he's coming at you, right?
Yes.
Okay? And he is propelling himself forward and you shoot, how does he end up on his back?
How does he end up on his back?
Mm-hmm.
He's not on his back.
What happens after you shoot him?
He's still standing, and I said, back up off me. He's still standing.
Okay. So we hear on the 911 call the shot, and then we hear a thump.
Yeah.
Is that him falling?
Why? No. That's what I'm saying. Why is they not playing the whole tape? Because that would have been too fast. Well, how would he be if he got shot and he fell? Why would he go this way? Be all the way over here?
Because if he was charging you like this, if you shot him, and that's true, what you're saying is that he's charging you like this, we can agree if you shot him, he would have fallen forward, right?
I wouldn't know how he would have fallen because he didn't fall when he got shot.
And you heard the testimony of the medical examiner talk about how the fact that this bullet traveled through, hit an aorta, hit his trachea, his larynx, and actually lodged in his spine.
Yes.
And your statement is not only did he continue to talk to you, but that he actually took a couple of steps back.
Yes, he did.
You remember when we first started this conversation, I said to you, would you agree with me if it doesn't make sense, it's probably not true, right?
Yes, I said, that's my fault.
All right. You just claimed that this man, for no apparent reason, decided to chase you around your home with 2 knives to the point where you felt the need to get a firearm. That it had actually even just poked you with a knife. And you felt the need to reload the firearm and that you were scared. You were scared to death. And in that moment, you thought to yourself, the best thing for me to do is to take 4 sleeping pills and make myself defenseless.